The benefits of this bill. The essence of this bill is to relieve people's unnecessary suffering in a variety of medical conditions and to promote recovery through improving safe access to an effective medicine. There is a tide in the affairs of men which, taken at the flood, leads on to fortune. The fortune here today is not the fortune of war, but the fortune of our suffering constituents, children and adults who have within their grasp a medicine with great promise. Let us now put medical cannabis within their reach. I commend this bill to the House. Make it medicine, make it happen. Thank you very much.
Minister Harris, 15 minutes.
Okay. Thank you very much. And the first thing I'd like to say, Leas-Cheann Comhairle, is I understand, Deputy Kenny, why the people are applauding you, because you are highlighting tonight a very important issue, and engaging with you on this issue over the last week. I fully accept and understand your sincerity and your desire to try and do the right thing by Irish patients and by those suffering. So I thank you for the bill.